Comet Atlas could be the brightest comet in decades. Comet Atlas is racing toward the inner solar system, and it could become the brightest comet seen in the night sky in over 2 decades. The comet, discovered by an observatory designed to protect Earth from asteroids, may even be visible during the day, just 2 months from now. Also known as C2019 Y4. This comet was discovered by astronomers at the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, in Hawaii in December of 2019. At the time, the comet was exceedingly dim, but the comet became 4,000 times brighter in just a month. This increase is far greater than astronomers predicted and could potentially signal the comet may soon be exceptionally bright. Comets are essentially dirty snowballs. As the comet approaches the sun, the heat will drive off some of the ice which makes up the nucleus, or the main body. If the comet holds its shape as it continues to heat, then Comet Atlas could grow as bright as the planet Venus. At its current rate of brightening, Comet Atlas could be visible to the naked eye under dark skies during the first 2 weeks of April. For skywatchers in the northern hemisphere, this would be a sight unseen since the dual shows of comets Hyakutake in 1996 and Hale-Bopp the following year. Comet Atlas on March 6, 2020, the head or the corona of the comet is roughly twice as wide as the planet Jupiter. In May, the comet could shine with a green hue, providing a unique view for viewers in the northern hemisphere. The brightest predictions for the comet suggest it could become bright enough to be seen during the day. The peak brightness of Comet Atlas would depend largely on how much material is encased within its nucleus. If the comet is sizable and does not fall apart and it is heated by the sun, it could put on an amazing show in May. The Atlas Observatory, which first spotted the comet, consists of a pair of 0.5 meter telescopes placed 160 kilometers, 100 miles apart. The system, operating since 2017, is designed to detect near-Earth objects, which could potentially impact Earth. In addition to finding roughly 100 space rocks measuring 30 meters in diameter or larger every year. The observatory also occasionally discovers comets. When it was first spotted, December 28, the comet was 439 million kilometers, 273 million miles from the sun. Comet Atlas will come within 37.8 million kilometers of our parent star, the sun, which is 23 million miles. The comet is brightening at nearly an unprecedented rate, and by March 17th, The comet was already 600 times brighter than predicted. The comet is currently in the constellation of Ursa Major, which includes the Big Dipper, and it will remain visible all night as seen from the northern hemisphere, all night during its pass through the inner solar system. Once this comet passes, it will be another 6,000 years before we see this comet again. Thank you for watching.